AI is no longer just the future. It's already here, and it's moving faster than ever. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, a student, or just curious, these 5 AI trends of 2025 are changing how we create, earn, and even think. Stay with me, because trend number 5 might just change your life. Trend 1. AI video generators have gone Hollywood. First up, AI video generation has leveled up. Tools like Google VO3 and OpenAI Sora now let you turn simple text prompts into stunning cinematic videos. That means no actors, no cameras, no expensive editing. Just type, and AI makes the video. People are using this to create trailers, music videos, TikToks, and even full YouTube shorts. If you're not playing with these tools yet, you're already behind. Trend 2. The rise of AI-powered faceless channels. Second, faceless YouTube channels are exploding. Thanks to AI voiceovers, avatars, and editing tools, creators are building entire channels without ever showing their face. Motivational content, bedtime stories, tech explainers, all AI run. One channel made over $100,000 just from ad revenue alone, fully automated. This is the perfect side hustle if you are camera shy or short on time. Trend 3. Hyper-personalized AI assistants. Next, meet your new digital coworker. In 2025, AI models like ChatGPT 4.5 and Claude 4 don't just give answers, they learn about you. They remember what you like, help plan your day, generate emails, write scripts, and even give business advice. Imagine having your own full-time assistant, business coach, and content writer, all in one app. That's the new normal now. Trend 4. YouTube's new AI monetization rules. Fourth, YouTube just changed the rules for monetizing AI-generated content. As of July 2025, low-effort videos using AI voice plus stock footage without original input are being demonetized. But if you add your own editing, commentary, or creativity, AI content is still totally monetizable. In fact, some of the fastest-growing channels in 2025 are powered by AI. The key is to use AI with your voice, not instead of it. Trend 5. AI side hustles and passive income are going mainstream. And finally, people are now making real money using AI tools. Selling ebooks, creating online courses, generating content packs, building faceless channels, all powered by AI. You don't need to code, you just need ideas, creativity, and the right tools. Some creators are earning thousands per month just from AI-generated digital products. If you're not tapping into this wave, you're missing out. These 5 trends are just the beginning. If you want to stay ahead in the AI world and learn how to turn these tools into income, please check out the link below this video to learn on the opportunity.